Are you a student of anthropology for UPSC Civil Services? Are you writing the exam in 2024? If so, with the examination just in the doorstep, I am sure you must have been doing tremendously well in your preparation, gearing up for the best results. Hi, I am Sosin Revella, faculty for anthropology for UPSC. For the last few years, I have been conducting a very special program in the benefit of the students, namely AnthroRun. This is a program wherein a large number of very expected, important, critical areas, between 50 and 70 areas, we will be discussing in 3 days, 4 hours every day. The objective of the course is to prepare you with the new areas that may be expected in the exam. Secondly, in order to give you the best way of presenting the answers. Do not delay, register yourself for this program being conducted on 23rd, 24th and 25th of August 2024. See you in the classroom. Have a great time. Thank you.